Hi there, thanks for the question, which is to simplify this expression that contains negative exponents. So the first thing we want to do is simplify by taking away the exponents where we're able to. Now this one over here is simplified as far as we want to go without putting the negative exponents in the denominator. So we're just going to leave that for a moment, but what I'm going to do is apply this -2 power to everything inside. So what I will get is 2 to the power of -2, x to the power of -2. So that just simplifies that expression, and I'll bring down the rest of that. There we go. Now what I can do is I'm going to multiply, and I'm going to multiply the largest expression by the smallest. That's what I usually like to do. So what that means is I'm going to take the 2 to the power of -2, multiplying it by 2 to the power of 1. When you don't have an exponent shown, you're just going to assume it to be 1. So what that means is that I'm then going to add the exponents because I'm dealing with the same base of 2. So it would be 2, 1 plus -2. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the x variable because those are the same bases. So it's going to be x, and then our exponents are -9 plus -2. And then the rest of this I'm just going to keep. That's y to the power of 1 and z to the power of -9. Now I'll simplify the exponents. So 1 plus -2 will give me 2 to the power of -1. -9 plus -2 gives me -11. Y to the power of 1 and z to the -9. So I have gone from the first expression down to this part here where I've just removed the parentheses. So I'm almost there, except that we don't like to have our answer be expressed with any negative exponents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch these to positive exponents by putting these bases in the denominator. So what I get is this is the only variable that has a positive exponent of y to the power of +1. So that's going to stay on top. Everything else is going to come down below. So 2 to the power of 1, that's this, because that is actually equal to 1 over 2 to the power of 1. So you just put it underneath. X to the power of -11 is equal to 1 over x to the power of +11. And z to the power of -9 is the same as 1 over z to the power of +9. And then lastly, I can simplify this even more by taking away that power of 1, x to the power of 11, and z to the power of 9. And there we go. That's the simplified answer to this complex problem with negative exponents.